Hello friends, welcome to engineering tutorial. In today's video we are going to discuss a new concept related to binary numbers. Okay, so we are going to discuss about some basic arithmetic operations associated with binary numbers. Okay, how the basic arithmetic operations can be performed using binary numbers or base 2 numbers. So the topics which we are going to discuss or cover in our videos are binary addition. In this video we are going to discuss about binary addition. Okay, in a separate video we will discuss about binary subtraction, binary multiplication and binary division. Okay, so separate videos we are going to take up each of these individual topics. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about binary addition. Okay, so let's discuss about binary addition. So let us discuss about binary addition. Okay, now before we uh, perform binary addition on binary numbers or base 2 numbers, first we must know the rules of binary addition. Okay, how we add two bits which are allowed in binary number system 0 and 1 in while adding two binary numbers. Okay, we know that only two bits are allowed, two symbols are allowed in binary number system 0 and 1. So the rules determine what will be the result of the addition of any two possible bits. Okay, so let's see how it happens. First, 0 plus 0. Okay, it will be 0. The result will be 0. This is same as we perform in normal addition process. Okay, normal addition, 0 plus 0 is 0, it is same as that, no change. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. This is also similar to normal addition, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. This is also similar to normal addition process. Next, the important rule. Okay, 1 plus 1. This is the important rule or property of binary addition and the most important rule. 1 plus 1, when the two bits involved are 1, then the result will be 0 with a carry generated to the next significant bit. Okay, a carry of 1. Okay, so here the result in that bit position will be 0 and a carry of 1 will be generated to the next significant bit. What I am trying to say is that suppose we are adding 1 plus 1, then the result will be 0, but a carry of 1 will be generated here, which will come down and the outcome will be 1 0. Okay, this is not 10. Okay, this is not 10, this is not 10. Okay, this is 1 and 0. Okay, so if we convert it into decimal form, it will be equivalent to 2. Okay, so if we convert it into decimal form, it will be equal to 2. Okay, because it has a weight of 2 to the power 0, which is 0, and this position has a weight of 2 to the power 1, so it is 2 in decimal form. In decimal form, it is equivalent to 2. So, this is the most important rule that you have to remember. Everything else is similar to normal addition, but here 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, in that position, in that coinciding position, the result will be 0, and a carry of 1. Okay, this carry of 1 is generated to the next significant bit. Okay, so in decimal form, this result is equivalent to 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 in decimal form is 1. This one is also in decimal form 1. So, addition of 1 plus 1 in decimal will be 2. So, this 1 and 0 is equivalent to decimal 2. Here 0 is the result in that position and 1 is the carry which is generated to the next significant bit. 1 plus 1 is 0 in that position and a carry is generated to the next significant bit, which comes down. Okay, so now let us understand these rules, how these rules are applied by adding a number of binary numbers. We will perform some addition of binary numbers by taking some examples. Okay, so let us do that. Okay, so let us now perform a few operations of binary addition. Okay, we will take a few examples. So, let us just first take small numbers. Okay, let us say we will add 0, 1, 1 and 0, 0, 1. Okay. Now, let us first convert them to their decimal equivalent. 0, 1, 1 is nothing but 3, and this is 1. So, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So, now let us just check it here. Here 1 plus 1, again 1 plus 1, the result will be 0 in the same coinciding position, bit position, and a carry of 1 will be generated to the next significant bit. This is the carry bit of 1. Again here 1 plus 0 is 1. Again this 1 gets added with the carry bit of 1. Again 1 plus 1 is 0. Again a carry of 1 is generated to the next significant bit. Understand, 1 plus 0, it was 1. Again this 1, the result 1 is added with the carry bit of 1. So, 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry of 1 generated to the next significant bit. So, here 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 which is added to the carry bit of 1 is 1. Now, 1, 0, 0, this is in binary. In decimal form, it is 10. So, we got the same result. Here it is also 4, here it is also 4. So, our answer is correct. Okay. So, let us take another example. Let us say we take 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, this is 15 and 1, 0, 0, 1. This is 9. Okay, so this is 15. This is 9. The answer is 24. So, let us find the result here. 1 plus 1, the result will be 0 with a carry of 1 generated to the next significant bit. Here 1 plus 0 is 1. Again this 1 gets added with the carry bit of 1, so 1 plus 1 is 0, again a carry of 1 is generated here. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, again a carry of 1. Now here it is interesting. 1 plus 1 is 0, okay, this 1 plus 1 is 0 and a carry of 1 is generated here, okay. Understand, 1 plus 1 is 0, a carry of 1 is generated here. That 0 which is the result of this 1 plus 1 is added with this carry bit of 1, so 0 plus 1 is 1, and this 1 bit, the carry bit, comes down here, so it is 1 1 0 0 0. So let us check. This is 16 plus 8, which is 24, okay. 1 1 0 0, it is in binary form. In decimal form it is 24. So we got the same result. You can convert it into decimal by multiplying their weight values associated with their positions and adding them. So we will get in decimal form the result as 24. So here also we got 24, here also we got 24. 15 plus 9 is equal to 24. Okay. So now let us just add two binary numbers with fractional parts involved in them. Okay, so let us do that. So here we are going to add two binary numbers with fractional parts. Okay, so this is the binary point. So you will do it in the same way as we did with whole binary numbers. Same thing here. 1 plus 1 is 0, the result is 0 in that bit position, and a carry of 1 is generated to the next significant bit. Again 0 plus 1 is 1, that 1 gets added with this carry bit of 1, so that gives 1 plus 1 0 with a carry of 1 generated to the next significant bit. The binary point coincides with the binary point. Here 0 plus 0 is 0, that result is added with this carry bit of 1, so 0 plus 1 is 1. Here 0 plus 1 is 1, this 1 bit comes down because there is nothing, so it is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1. So the result is 1 1 1 binary point and then 0 0. Okay, so this is the binary addition involving fractional parts. Okay. Now suppose you come across an addition operation involving binary numbers like this. Okay, three binary numbers back to back. Here we have taken 8, 4 and 3. In base 10 or decimal number system, the result is 15, 1 5. Now let us see if we get the same result in base 2 or binary form. Okay, so here 0 plus 0 is 0, that 0 getting added with 1 bit is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, again here 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. Here 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 0 is 1. Here 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 0 again is 1. So this is in decimal form, in binary form. Its decimal equivalent is 15. Okay, so we got the same result, okay, in decimal form and this in binary form, 1 1 1 1. If we convert it into decimal form using either the sum of weights method or the method of conversion by the multiplying the weight values associated with each, that 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 3, we will get the result as 15. So, we get the same result. So, this is another example where 3 binary numbers are added back to back, okay, and we got the same result, okay. So, here we have discussed some basic concepts related to addition of binary numbers, two binary numbers involving fractional parts, 3 binary numbers, and similarly you can uh, involve fractional parts also here and add them and see if you get the same result. So, in the next video I will be discussing about binary subtraction, the rules associated with binary subtraction, and we will discuss some examples. So, I hope you like this video, and please subscribe my channel Engineering Tutorial for more such videos related to electrical, electronics, instrumentation and communication engineering. Have a great day. Thank you very much.